we are not going to be replacing the night indicators for this 2014 Honda Accord Sport. Okay, so currently, as you can see, it's using the stock halogen ones, and you can't even tell they're on. That little red dot you see right there, that's the bulb. Can't even tell they're on. Okay, and we'll be replacing those, and we'll show you step by step how to do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna work on the night indicators. Okay, so these will light up when you turn on your headlights, or when you put in auto mode, these will turn on at night, or whenever the computer is set to light up. Okay, so pretty much it's to be held in by 4 clips. Okay, again, you're gonna want to use a clip remover. All you gotta do is just lift it off, pop it out. Simple as that. Okay, so once you remove all 4, put them aside, don't lose them. This will come off pretty easy. Okay, it would just bend like that. Okay, so the first one's gonna be right here. That's gonna be your night indicator. Okay, so pretty simple. You just untwist it, pops out. Okay, so these bulbs are still good, but as I was showing you, you barely can even see them when they're on. So let's remove that. Use gloves, use a rag, use a microfiber cloth. That's what I recommend, and just take off your bulb because these are still good. They're not out. It's just that they're very dim. And what we're gonna use is gonna be our last fit 6K white T10s. Okay, pretty easy to do. Just pop it in. Goes in pretty easily. Pretty much done. I recommend test it out before putting everything back together. And that's how they're gonna look. Okay, and just to have a comparison, this is how the halogen looks like on the passenger side. You can see the big difference.